Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we will see how you can protect your PDF file using password. If you create PDF using MS Word or any other tool and want to secure it using password, then you might search here and there. But today I'll be giving you a free tool with the help of which you can easily protect your PDF. Additionally, you can also unprotect any password protected PDF. So if you want to know more about this, watch this video till the end. If your first time visit to V.I Tech Academy, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more videos. Press the bell icon, choose all notifications for latest updates. Thank you so much for joining us as a member. If you want, you can also support us by joining us as a member. Click the join button to learn more. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Without further delay, let's start today's episode. To protect a PDF file using password, I use my mobile phone, but you can use the same website from your PC. Click the link below of this video. The same link is available on our official WhatsApp channel also. The WhatsApp channel link is available at the about page of our YouTube channel, as well as in the video description. So join us on WhatsApp and Telegram also. After opening the link, you will find this website.
PDF.io, edit box, search your new tab, switch, customize and pin, PDF.io essential online button.
So here you need to find the tool called Protect. There are many tools related to PDF which you can use for free, such as PDF to Word, Word to PDF, PDF to Excel, PDF to JPG, add page mark, unlock, protect, and so on. If you want more videos about this tool, let us know in the comment section. To protect a PDF, find the options called Protect,
Split, easy to use, merge, PDF, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, JPG, unlock, link, protect, link.
Click on Protect.
0%, progress bar, 0%, password protect PDF, web view.
Now swipe and find the options to upload files. Here are 3-4 options to upload files. You can directly browse files from your phone or PC. You can upload directly from your Google Drive or Dropbox or any URL. We use the browse feature. So let me find it.
Choose file.
So click on choose file.
Android system.
Now open your file manager and choose the file. So let me choose the file and I'll come back.
So once you have uploaded the file, it will directly ask you to enter the password.
Choose password.
Choose password.
For introduction to entrepreneur, editing, password, edit box.
So for now, I'm just giving a simple password, which is
X, window door,
X,
X, bullet replaced X,
A,
bullet
S,
replaced
D,
A,
F.
S, D, bullet replaced F, Y, F, bullet replaced F, choose password, protect,
And click on Protect.
password protect PDF, web view, keyboard hidden, save password, option your PDF is now locked,
Okay, your PDF is now locked.
download, link,
So just download the PDF from this link.
0%, progress bar,
It's easy to use.
Envision AI, help, tech freedom, help, drive PDF viewer, Insta reader, column, me PDF viewer, Chrome, save password, option available near top of the
So
screen.
let us see whether it is downloaded or not.
Recorder, WhatsApp Chrome, bullet, now, introduction to enter.pdf, download complete 200 meg, home.
So let me open Google Files and let's see whether we can open this file by using the password or not.
So now I'm in my downloads folder and this is the file.
Introduction to entrepreneurs,
Let's try to open it using Tech Freedom.
drive, cancel, button, out of, open, button,
It is
showing password
it
keyboard.
is asking
This
the
file is
password.
protected on top. 1. Editing.
So
Password
I need to
field.
type
Edit
the
box.
password.
Window is file is
So
protected.
what is the password? Password is X
Window bullet.
ASDF.
A. Bullet. S. Bullet. D. Bullet. G. F. Bullet.
Now I just click on
Editing.
open.
Can't open. Pages 1 to 3 of 20.
And now see, the file is opened. So we can easily protect our file using the password. Now we will break the password. We want to break the password. For example, you have a PDF and you want to break the password. Now here what you know, you must know the password of the PDF. It can't possible that you don't know the password and you can break it. That is not possible by using this tool. So how to do that? Let us see. Let's go back to the tool. After going back to the tool, let me find unlock link.
JPG. Unlock. Link.
Just double tap here
0%. Progress bar. 0%. Unlock PDF. Web
and
view.
upload the files.
Choose file. Android system.
The process is same, so I'm not going to repeat the steps. After choosing the file, again it will ask you to enter the password. Now you need to enter that password which you have set for this PDF or which is already set for this PDF. So as we set the password XASDF, so let us type it.
X. Window board. A. S. F. D. F.
And click on.
Advertisement. Insertion.
Okay, some
Window code.
advertisement is there, so let me close it.
Editing. Pass. Alternative filling options. Advertisement. Alternative. Show. Keyboard hidden. Stop recording. Unlock. Customize and unlock PDF. Web view. Password. Advertise. Stop recording. Unlock PDF. Advertisement. Insertion. Close ad.
So let me close it.
Password. 5. Cancel. OK.
Just click on OK
Unlock PDF. Web view. Save password. Option of download.
and see.
Your PDF is now unlocked.
Your PDF is now unlocked.
Download. Link.
Now you can easily download this PDF and open it. So as it is a straightforward process, so I'll not repeat this. This is how you can easily protect and unprotect your PDF using password. By using this tool, you can do lot more things. So experiment yourself and let us know your thoughts into the comment section. If you want to watch more tools like this, don't forget to share into the comment section. If you find this content useful, press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.